For the latest updates on the Indian startup ecosystem, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.
We're at the end of another exciting week, and which were the biggest fundraisers this week? Let's find out at Your Story's weekly funding roundup. The third week of February saw Indian startups rake up as much as $254.56 million across 12 equity deals. Now, this is a 20% drop since last week when Indian startups had raked in close to $318 million in equity funding. When it comes to debt this week, a total of $11 million was raised as debt by hyperlocal delivery startup Dunzo from Ulterior Capital. Well, this week, late-stage deals took precedence, contributing to close to $223 million of the overall funding raised by Indian startups this week. Then came in growth-stage deals, which contributed close to $19 million. Finally, early-stage startups roped in close to $12.56 million in equity funding in the third week of February. Bengaluru-based food tech unicorn Swiggy this week said that it has raked in close to $113 million as a part of its Series I round led by Process Envy. Now, other investors which participated as a part of this round include Meitu Dai Peng as well as Wellington Management Company. Now, the startup says they'll be using these funds for newer lines of business, including stores, Go as well as Super Daily. Bengaluru-based edtech startup Unacademy this week said that it has raked in close to $110 million as a part of its Series E funding round led by Facebook, General Atlantic as well as Sequoia India. Now, other investors which participated as a part of this round include Steadview Capital, Nexus Venture Partners, Bloom Ventures, Kalyan Krishnamurthy, who is the CEO of Flipkart, and Sujit Kumar, who is the co-founder of Udaan. Now, the startup says it will be using these funds to acquire top educators as well as to improve experience on its platform. Mumbai-based Onsite Go this week said that it has raked in close to $19 million as a part of its Series B funding round led by Zodius Growth Fund. But the round also saw participation from existing investor Axel Partners. According to Onsite Go, it will be using these funds to consolidate its position in the device protection market as well as to expand into newer categories of home protection and provide on-demand services. Gurugram-based prop tech startup Zavesta this week said that it has raked in close to $5.5 million as a part of its Series A funding round led by Hindustan Media Ventures Limited. But the startup says it will be using these funds to predominantly build on its alliances and partnerships across the country as well as to strengthen its technology product. But in the other deals this week, there is London-based clean tech startup Carbon Clean Solutions Limited, which announced the completion of its $16 million equity round. Then there is SaaS-based startup WhatFix, which raised close to $32 million as a part of its Series C funding round led by Sequoia India. Then there was content software maker InVideo, which said that it has raked in close to $2.5 million in a round led by Sequoia's accelerator Surge. When it comes to exits, one of the biggest exits this week was by fashion e-commerce startup Vunik, which merged its B2B business as well as its technology platform with Bangladesh-based social commerce platform Shopper. Then there was Gurugram-based Prelove Device, which announced the acquisition of Delhi-based Overcart in a cash and stock deal. Then there was TVS Group's automobile division, which said that it has acquired Mumbai-based automobile services startup Car Crew. Finally, there was Shriram Automall India, which said that it has acquired Delhi-based car-selling platform Bluejack. Well, that was the weekly funding roundup for the third week of February. My name is Tarush Bhalla, and I'm going to catch up with you next week with another interesting roundup of the funding which goes in the Indian startup ecosystem. Until then, stay good and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos.